Hi, it's Judith here, and if you're anything like me, your home is a labor of love, and so there's always little projects here and there to be done. I'm definitely a do-it-yourselfer, and I love making upgrades, decorating, and taking care of small repairs. But I have noticed I'm also struggling in some of the tighter spaces, and my electric work lights are just not shining where they need to. But luckily, our friends at Energizer decided to send someone on over to give me a little help. I think she's here. A trusted and reliable brand, Energizer is consistently developing innovative products that are useful for so many different lighting needs and for all types of uses. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me. So tell me more about your lighting needs when you're doing projects around the home. What are some of the things you're looking for?
I am doing a lot of little small projects all the time. So in small little areas, dark little areas. And when I look online, I noticed a lot of big, heavy lights that really aren't practical for the stuff I do around the house.
Sure. So let's actually start with one of our smaller flashlights. This is a pen light, which is one of my most used. It is small and compact and really bright and has a long beam distance. It's rechargeable, it's super easy to use with this rear push button, and it actually has a great clip for safekeeping. So you can put it in your work bag, you can put it on your pocket. I usually keep one in my purse or my backpack.
Awesome. I can already see everything in my toolkit. And I think even when I'm working, I can see how I could just do like one of these. Mm-hmm. And I think it's even small enough I could put one in my junk drawer. Absolutely. If I can actually find it in there.
So the next light I have for you is actually very small and compact as well. It has this unique flat, slim design. It has a magnet on the end.
Oh, is that what that is? Oh,
it has 8 modes, so it has a lot of practicality. You can use it for many different situations.
Wow, how cool is that? I love the magnet feature, so you really can put it wherever there is some place to attach it to a magnet.
Absolutely, and would meet your hands-free need.
Cool. Speaking of projects, I have an issue under my sink. I was trying to install my new disposal. Couldn't see the bolts under there.
So let's talk about our next light, which is this Light and Power Cube lantern. So it casts 360-degree lighting, so it's great for hands-free use.
Yes.
And it's actually hybrid. So you can use it on the rechargeable battery, or you can put AA batteries in there for backup power as well. It does have 2 USB ports, so it also acts as a power bank, so you can charge your devices.
Amazing.
And then let me show you one of my favorite features. It has this removable lid.
Look at that.
With a hanging hook, so you can hang it underneath your sink.
No way. No way. That's perfect. Look at that, and it's so bright. This is so awesome and practical.
And not only all of that, it has internal storage. So it has a removable tray where you can keep extra lights, your charging cord, if you need extra batteries.
As a matter of fact, in my master bath, I have some new hardware that I can't wait to put up. It's been sitting there. I just cannot get under there and get enough light. I always had to use my cell phone flashlight. It isn't working out. What do we do?
Let's try a headlamp. Have you ever used one before?
No.
So we have a lot of different options with different colors, so you can pick any color you'd like. So what's great is the head is actually pivoting, so you can direct your light where you need to.
Look at that.
And then it's just really easy to move with simple push buttons. It has red to preserve your night vision. It has multiple different modes, so you have exactly the lighting you need.
This is even great for when you're maybe like in the evening, if you want to go for a run, take the dog for a walk.
Absolutely.
So bright.
Yep, some are rechargeable, some run on AAA, so you really have a lot of options.
We should try and go tackle that project then.
Let's do it.
All right. Julie, it was so great to finally have something to use to light up the area and get all my projects done. Where can we find out more about all this great stuff?
So Energizer products are available at all your big box retailers, home improvement stores, but everything I showed you here today is available on Amazon.
Amazon. Well, got any batteries?
Of course I do.
And if you missed any part of the show today, you can always head to our website, designingspaces.tv.